Although the Reggae Marathon was switched from Negril to Kingston for the first time this year, one thing that didn't change was the participation of competitors from various countries. Jeremy Brown reports.
The appeal of the Kingston waterfront was on full display as the 25th staging of the Reggae Marathon, Half Marathon, 10K and 5K took place on Sunday in the Jamaican capital. With participants from over 10 different countries turning up for this year's event, race director Alfred Francis says that the switch from the scenic Negril shores did not affect its international appeal.
Oh, we have persons from all over the world. I mean, Dubai, Africa, Bahamas. So we have persons from Europe, Asia, North America, and the Caribbean here this morning. Too many countries to mention. We're pleased of the international support that Reggae Marathon has had over the years.
Italian Sonia Per was among the overseas participants for this year's event. This was also her first time in Jamaica.
I traveled from Dubai, Vietnam, Hong Kong, Vancouver, Toronto to make it to Kingston, Jamaica. 49 hours, so you can make it as well.
Per described herself as a global athlete.
I'm an ambassador, I'm an athlete, international athlete. I run once a week around the globe. I'm also a PhD professor, and with Global Race Connect, I'm the co-founder of the first Africa running show in the world.
And having traveled all over the world to compete, she has labeled the Reggae Marathon as a unique experience.
It's amazing. You're running, you're dancing, you're smiling, everyone is cheering up on you. It's really, really amazing and unique.
Jamaicans Garfield Gordon and Cecile Heinrich secured top honors at this year's staging. Jeremy Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.